Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and yeah, you've guessed it, I've got a parcel. I've got another parcel, and this has been kindly sent to me by Reece over at RJC Models. And I'd just like to say thank you, Reece, and thank you, Clarice, for sending me a little parcel there. I've sliced it open just so that I don't cut myself with a knife whilst I'm filming, and obviously taken my address off. So, a personal letter there. I'll have a read of that off air. Oh. Gonna have to hide these from the missus. Oh, look at that. Oh, Jaffa cakes. Yes, at last. Festa's got Jaffa cakes at last. All those people out there that kept teasing me. Look at that. Yes. Oh, chockies. Fudge. Oh, fox. Fudge. Oh. When he's doing his Warhammer Sundays, I'm going to be sitting there, I'm going to be eating this. Oh, look at this. Some tea cakes as well. Oh. I'll tell you something, my carpet monster's 18 stone. I'm going to be catching up with it. Oh, poor crackling. Oh, mate. Jammy Dodgers. And no, they're not foxes. They're Festas. Yeah, you know this. Nom, nomedy, nom, and noms. Look at that. Oh, chocoholic. Oh, Jaffa cake bars. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Oh, racy baby. Oh, we got an opal. GT. Oh, mate, gonna have a field day making this one up. Look at that. Oh, mate, you legend. Love it. Absolutely love it, mate. Oh. I'll do an inbox review on that. Yes. Oh, look at all these Jaffa cakes and chockies and I've got to try and hide them from the wife now, because she'll be going, "You eating out there?" Nothing, love. And no one's allowed to message her and grass me up. Yeah, you know who you are. Oh, Reece and Clarice, thank you so very much for taking the time to send good old Festa Poos a care package. It was good seeing you the other day, Reece, as well, mate. Not seen you laugh like that in a long time, so if I hurt your ribs, apologies, mate. And again, thank you very, very, very much. And I will see you all soon. Bye for now. Oh, Jaffa cakes.